Smoke until a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel
What is happening, my dogs? My name is Madison and I am the auction dog, and today I'm coming to you with a pretty special car that I found at auction that I wanted to highlight by itself, and I really think it's worth it. And check this freaking thing out, E63S. Before we hop into this, if I do earn your subscription today and you like our content, please give us a like down below, give us a subscription. We really want to get monetized this year and blow this thing way the hell out, and we're getting there. Little by little, but you got to check all the boxes off, and if you guys could help us out, that would be fantastic. So let's hop right into it.
Two cappuccinos, thank you, darling. Big kiss. The earring, fun. Last year.
Hey, let them be dreaming away my day until that shit becomes real. All of you suckers be having a problem with letting go of that will and trusting your...
Dude, the cockpit experience of sitting in this thing is insane. It really is. I swear to God, the build quality is fantastic. I love the readouts here. They're really visible, super nice. Double stitched leather dash, speaker up top, all beautifully laid carbon. Like, dude. This thing is so bitchin', bro. It's crazy as hell. Black Alcantara. Look at the double stitch handle. Dude. Double stitched, like. This thing's crazy, dude. This thing is nuts. It really is. And I'm freaking floored. Like, I mean, it's decent. For the new Benzes are not built right. They're not built very well. And this thing feels like it's got a lot of time and effort into it, which is cool. It sucks that these aren't metal. You know, they look metal, but they're not metal. But I guess it is what it is. But, dude, this thing is nuts. Look at the door panel. I love that line, how that follows that and goes in that way and that way. Beautiful. And these seats, like, look at that, dude. And they're super comfortable. I mean, I'm in this thing right now. I'm in this thing, and it's hugging me. It fits perfectly. The rear seats are quite nice as well. Overall, this thing is sick. Well, how many miles? It's got 51,000 miles. 51,000 miles of pure enjoyment in this thing. I swear to God. Freaking A. Let's get a look at the outside of it, too. I don't know exactly what color this is, but I'll probably look up the paint code and put it right here. But, dude, this thing is insane looking. I love the matte colors that people have been, or the companies have been releasing lately. They're just beautiful to look at. I love the blackout, blacked wheels, black roof. Everything's so sick. Carbon wing, carbon rear diffuser. The exhaust note's perfect. E63S. Just a freaking beautiful car, dude. It's so spot on. It's not even funny as far as like a get around town, go rip it, freaking have some fun on the highways kind of thing. But, dude, look how big the brakes are. The brakes are like 13 inches, like at least. It's like a 6-pot caliper in the front. Maybe more, yeah, it looks 6-pot. But dude, man, it doesn't get much better as far as daily drivers go. Really does not. Like, carbon package, bitchin' as fuck, looking rad. And I mean, it could be yours for a certain amount of money, but I bet this thing just does crazy money here because somebody's looking for this right now. We live in an area that cars like this do fantastic because there's people here with money who want these things, you know? I don't think these are obviously carbon ceramics, but that brake rotor looks like it's getting a little beat up there. That might need to be replaced here soon. 51,000 miles. That's a hard 51,000 in this thing, I bet. You know, it takes a lot of money to keep one of these things on the road. But I just can't believe it. Let's get a look at the exhaust note because I know it's going to be freaking fantastic. Oh, she barks. Puppy's barking. Puppies are barking. That thing is so sick. Oh, man. One day, dude, I don't think I'd buy one of these to daily. I'd probably daily an M4, honestly. I'm a Beamer, bro. You know? But this thing is freaking sweet. It really, really is. Oh, man. It just doesn't get much better as far as AMGs go. Unless it would be like an S-Class or something, you know, or a CL. But, dude. Damn. I can't believe this thing's even here. I don't know why somebody wouldn't have put this thing right on their lot and let it rip, you know? All right, so if you guys have watched this far in the video, thank you very much for tuning in. We really do like bringing this kind of content to you guys, and I like showing you all the auction cars that are here, but whenever we do find something special, I like to highlight it and show you that these are available out here. They're really expensive, but they're really sweet, and it's really worth it. So, yeah, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you did like the video, please give us a subscription down below. Drop a comment. Let us know what we did right, what we did wrong. If you like the car, or if you didn't, if these aren't really your taste, either way, let us know. So thank you guys very much. Peace out, my dogs. Hope you have a good rest of your day.